afternoon, everyone. We got an update that there's a northbound train coming.
Yeah!
And we got the Junior Rail fan with today.
What?
Never heard the engine go south, but apparently 501 is headed back north with 5 tankers on it. No, just 501, bud.
Ah! I never knew.
Thanks, Randy, for the heads up, letting us know the train was headed through. See, somehow I'd never heard it this morning heading south, but
Because it's always came through the weekend.
maybe. So we're on Gano Beach Road right now. We're going to see if we can catch it. We can see the light from County D, so figured we'd come this way and
Yee!
see what we can see.
Yeah.
Big old sand pit there.
Cool.
Let's see, did we get here before it?
It was pretty far back, probably.
Oh yeah.
It's
We were
full.
way back there.
I will go to County Yes, because this has to be by County Yes.
He might be in Sabisky. Alright, I guess we're gonna wait for it to get here. So we'll be back. Alright, we're in Sabisky. And there is all the tanker cars.
Wait,
So we're gonna shoot back up over to Gano Beach Road
wait, you're not moving.
and see what's going on here.
I don't-
Alright, well they must have been doing a little bit of switching down there in Sabisky. Of course I got that new radio, but I haven't programmed it yet, so there was no point in turning it on to see if we could hear anything. But they are coming this way. Like I say, we're back at Gano Beach Road again. It was taking them a while, so Ash and I went and got some lunch. We were sitting here having a picnic real quick while we're waiting. So we'll let them get a little bit closer here, and then we'll start recording again. Alright. It's definitely just tankers. Makes me wonder what they were sitting in
Hey,
Sabisky
that's
so long
502
for.
and 501.
It's just 501, bud.
Why is it backwards?
I don't know. Maybe they picked up a couple cars there. Let's see. Well, it looks like just 5 cars yet. There's the bell. Here comes the horn, bud.
I think that was my
He gave you a couple extra toots, huh? I think he was enjoying it. Yeah, look at it. Yep, 5 tanks, 1 engine. Do they got a Freddy? Just the flag. Alright, let's go to Abrams and catch him again.
dark red.
Alright, here we are in Abrams.
Dorothy!
Are you excited?
This is going to be the last one.
This is going to be the last one?
Last video!
This is,
Last shot!
this is the last crossing we're in the video?
Nope.
Okay.
Final.
It's not much of a train to video anyway, so. But we don't get to video them very often anymore, because that 4-letter word, work, seems to get in the way quite often. Anyway. It's kind of odd. Just over a week ago, they went down. as I said, it's kind of weird because just over a week ago they went down and grabbed a couple tankers in Brown North. And nothing else, but now they went down and grabbed these 5 that were sitting down at Lineville. It's kind of weird. Anyway, hit that thumbs up, hit that like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. You know the routine. Have a great day, everyone.